What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be painting body panels. So we have both the fenders and we have both the bumpers and the hood. So Tyler, what do we got going on with the tape?
So it looks like the bottom of the car, which the car's out there. Bottom of the car, they rubberized the bottom of the fenders, pretty much the whole sides of the car. They rubber
on the very bottom.
So we bought some rubber coating, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to paint over it. That's why I'm doing white. We're just going to paint it, rubberize, because we started to sand it, and it kind of patched through. And you can see, I mean, it's a 30-year-old car. It's got a little bit of rot and rust on it, not much. So we're going to seal it up in the spots where it will, and then we'll paint over it. So we're going to start with the fenders, coat them, and then we're going to swap and probably start painting the bumpers, you think?
Probably.
And then maybe the hood. The hood's going to take a while.
Yeah.
But we're going to get this done so that this can dry, and hopefully we can get all of these panels done in...
It'll definitely be this video for sure.
Hopefully tonight.
Probably
for us.
Probably not quite the car.
No, that'll be another day.
Yeah, that'll be part 2. Alright guys, we're going to get set up, and we'll see you in a minute. Alright Tyler, where are we at?
Alright, so we did 5 coats of paint on the hood. We did 4 coats around the edge, 5 coats on top. We kind of decided that's what our method is going to be for all the panels. So we rubberized the bottom of the fenders.
So we did the outside bottom edge where the previous owner had spray painted the car. They did this. So basically we just replicated it just to kind of keep the rot out. And the same thing on the inside.
Yeah.
We like there and under there. We just did the same thing. That way there, any moisture or anything gets in there, it keeps it out of it. So this is still drying. These are still drying.
Yeah, looking pretty damn good though.
We did 5 coats. We're using, the paint we're using is primer and paint in a can. And the recoat time is ridiculous. What was the recoat time? 1 minute in between coats.
Yeah.
We're giving it realistically like 3 to 5.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's looking pretty damn good. You know, it's looking good. The hood is all done. I mean, we didn't get out the rock chips and anything like that.
No, I mean, it's
we just
not
did
a $1 million car.
We just did the 220 and then the 400. And so far, what do you think?
I love it. I think it's great.
Perfect. All right, guys, we're gonna eat some lunch or do some dinner. And we're gonna hit you back with another time lapse of the other parts. Alright guys, well that's gonna do it for this one. I'll walk you over. Coat's still wet because it's a matte paint, so it's still drying. But overall, we might do after this hardens really good, we might do another can on the front and back bumpers because of rock chips and everything else. But yeah, it came out pretty damn good. We had absolutely, I got no light. Had absolutely no runs. Couple of fucking bugs, but and that's you know, the garage is open. Like, I mean, what are you gonna do? You know.
Yeah, we did plan on actually sealing it off and doing everything the proper way, but I mean, at the end of the day, we're rattle canning it, so.
Yeah, and this is just these panels. Obviously, when we do the car, we'll go ahead and do that. There's some weird cut, but you know, this it was already spray bombed car, so
yeah. I mean, the car's 31 years old too.
We're just re-spray bombing it. And,
yeah.
And how many cans did we go through?
About 7 cans. 6.5, almost 7 cans.
7 cans. So we did the front bumper, the back bumper, the hood is on my go-kart, and the fender. This is to give you a good example what that looks like all dry. And the fender there, the hood over here. So where is that paint? You have a can out? No. So a lot of people go, oh yeah, Rust-Oleum, Rust-Oleum. I tell you what, this right here, Krylon Fusion all-in-one paint and primer. So this is matte pale sage for the color. No runs, no drips, no airs. And I can tell you right now,
we had no runs,
we had no
drips,
issues.
No airs.
This paint is incredible. This is probably the best spray paint that I've ever used, and I've been spray bombing shit since I was a fucking teenager.
And you want to know where I got this?
And I'm 33, almost 34.
Of all places, Walmart. $4.99 a can.
And they have it where? They have it at Rockies, Ace.
Yeah, they have it at all Ace. They have it at Home Depot too. Home Depot didn't carry the matte pale sage, that's why I didn't get it there. But Walmart, they had. God, well, how many did I get the other day? It had to have been...
you got like 8 or 10.
10 or 11 cans.
Yeah.
One shot, they had them. $5 a can. You really can't beat that.
This paint, I'm telling you, is really good. So if you're ever thinking about using this for something, definitely don't be scared of this. And it only has 1 minute of recoat time. And we didn't really we might have tested that a little bit, but it's like 70 degrees outside. And I had not a single fucking issue at all. Not a single run. Not a single snot. And
I had a little bit of a run in here when I was trying to get these tight spots.
He was using my 95% wasted can.
It was the very bottom of the can, and yeah, it's hard to get in that area, but it literally started to run and flattened right out and dry.
Yeah. Incredible paint. Incredible paint. You know, we're not professionals. This is the first car that we've ever spray bombed. I mean, I've done repairs, you know, I painted bike frames and just odd and end stuff, power wheels for my daughter and things like that. And, you know, but I've never painted a whole car.
No, this is new for both of us.
This is new for both of us. And telling you, it's just patience and overlapping 50% of the way and... You know, doing your edges first and doing long, smooth, even strokes. Yeah. No fast back and forth. Keep it consistent. And, you know, I walked the length of the panel. I'm sure that didn't help with debris, but you can see stuff freaking floating in the air.
Oh, yeah. I mean,
it's a garage. It's a garage. You know, it's going to happen. And it's going to dry, and we're going to clear coat it and wet sand it and polish it. And it should look pretty damn good.
It should. I mean, at the end of the day, I got 17 cans of this paint, 18 cans.
Yeah.
$5 a can, that's like $90.
You're gonna have $190.
Yeah.
with the clear
With
coat
the
and
clear
everything,
coat.
and you know,
Yeah,
it's well
it'll
worth
probably
it.
being $150 all said and done after sanding pads and
Yeah.
Bondo and all the
Masking
other stuff.
supplies and
But I mean, a Mako paint job, the cheapest you'll probably get is like $800.
yeah, $500, and they'll just spray it, not take any of your fucking stuff off.
No,
I mean,
and at least here, like, we probably could have gotten away with doing 3 coats, but we did 5 because we're covering.
oh
red.
no, the bumpers got
The
like
bumpers.
7 or 8,
Yeah.
9 coats.
And probably need 1 more.
That way, there rock
Right.
chips hit it. We're in New England,
Exactly.
you know. And we're
Oh,
gonna
this
keep this paint on supply.
Oh yeah, I'm
You
gonna
know,
put
we're gonna have it.
300,000 on this.
You know, we're definitely gonna use it up. But yeah. Anyways, guys, stay tuned for part 2. What are we doing in part 2?
The rest of the car.
Rest
Trying
of
to
the
finish it
car.
out.
And then maybe
There may be a video in between because we have to fix the trunk and
Yeah,
fill
we
the
have
antenna
stuff.
with the Bondo. But
yeah, and then maybe part 3 will be like the reveal video.
yeah.
Where we reveal the paint.
Yeah.
That'll be a short thing. But yeah, guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.